All right, everybody, we've got breaking news. Pulte, American home builder, is breaking ground on their brand new master plan community. Now, if you guys don't know who I am, my name is Chuck. It's Crusoe with Simply Vegas. I've been a licensed real estate agent out here for the past 17 years, and I specialize in new home builds. So, Pulte bought some land, actually from the city. So, let's talk about this because I think this is very important. The development here, they are literally building 3,000 homes, 4 communities, 16 neighborhoods, single family residence, detached, and also townhomes as well. Now, this community will have parks and trails. Now, the land that I'm talking about that they have purchased is located in the city of Henderson, just east of Henderson. So it's literally, you take the 215 turns into Lake Mead, and as you are heading east, you're gonna hit Lake Las Vegas, and that's a master plan community. But right across the street, this is where Pulte actually bought some land. Now check this out. They actually bought 950 acres from the county. But this was a weird transaction because the land that they bought was actually 3 kids' mines. Now, 3 kids' mines, the United States actually started trenching this land in 1917 all the way to 1961. And the materials that they were unearthing was actually called, and I don't know if I'm pronouncing this correctly, manganese. Okay, let me know in the comments below. Now, this type of material that they were unearthing, okay, it was primarily used and supplied to the United States military. And this was during World War I and World War II. That's correct, okay? And this is a type of hard, brittle silver metallic element that they were using. So I didn't really do the research of what this material was. This metallic element can actually be very harmful to your health. It does attack the nervous system of your body. How you catch it is actually if you like inhale this stuff, right? This is just something that you need to be aware. But the fascinating part here was every time you drive to Lake Las Vegas, all you would do is see like these large pit holes. So what the city did was they wanted to sell this land, but then you had Pulte that wanted to buy the land. So the deal was, what Pulte was going to do is spend the money instead of just buying the land. And this is over 950 acres. So Pulte got with the county and said, look, we will go ahead and build on this land, but what we're going to do is we will go ahead and buy it for roughly about 250 million to like 257 million. I don't have the exact numbers because I went to the county records to pull it up, and it wasn't disclosed, right? So basically the deal was Pulte would actually spend the money on doing the development and the cleanup. They had to like remediate 950 acres. I guess that was the deal. So they come in, they clean up the land, they fill it back up, but Pulte had to spend that 250 million. Then from there, the question is, how does Pulte actually get their money back? So they're going to actually get it back from the taxpayers. So this is the agreement. As they build 3,000 homes, at this point, what's going to happen is on the property taxes, the taxpayers, those 3,000 homes there, will eventually have to pay Pulte back, right? And this is all the way until 2045. That's right. So that's how Pulte will get that money back, but also they're going to make the sale on the homes too as well. Now, I did go back to the county records, and this is the fascinating part. According to the county records for 2026, the assessment just for their land is $32 million for this parcel here. Now, what is Pulte going to build? They're going to build 3,000 homes, 4 communities, 16 neighborhoods. They're going to build single-story homes and also townhomes. They're going to have parks and trails as well. Some of them may be gated, especially on their higher-end properties. Now, the 4 communities that they're going to be building is the Desert Mesa, Sora, Oasis Canyon, and Dahlia. Now, going back to Desert Mesa. Now, Desert Mesa, it's going to be all single-story homes. They're going to have a total of 75 homes that you can build on. The model homes are going to start roughly about $446,000, and that's for the independents. And then they also have the Verbena that will start off at 453,000, and they also have the Hewitt, and that will start you off at 471,000. Now that does not include lot premiums as well. Now I'm not too sure what the lot size are at this time. Now Desert Mesa, the single story homes, they will start selling April 18th. So if you guys aren't interested, you guys can go down to the sales office right now and you guys can start looking around, and it's always best to get ahead of the curve. We always talk about this. If you're going to buy a brand new home, you definitely want to go ahead and buy at the beginning stages. But this is going to be a long-term hold. You're probably looking to hold for the next 5 years in order to get some sort of value out of that community. Now the next community, Sora, these are going to be the 2-story homes. They're going to build a total of 98 lots, okay? You've got the Camilla. This one's going to be starting at 459,000. Then we have the Saffron. This will start you off at 482,000. And then we have the Modena that will start you off at $487,000. Now, if you guys are interested in this, okay, on April 25th, they're going to start selling and releasing homes for sale. So the next community, which is the Oasis Canyon, these are single-story homes. You have a total of 97 home sites, okay? Now, there are 3 different models. You have the Stella, you have the Garden Gate, and also the Park Lane. Now, you guys seen these models in the past videos that I've shot. Now, they build this pretty much all over. Now, unfortunately, right now, the pricing has not been disclosed yet. But if you guys are interested, okay, on May 9th, you guys can go down there and you guys can check it out and see what the pricing will be. So the Dahlia community, they're going to have a total of 140 townhomes. Now, there are 3 different models. Unfortunately, the price has not been disclosed yet at this time. They have the Danbury, they have the Cornwall, and also the Danton. Okay, so if you guys want to check those out, go ahead and check them out. Now, unfortunately, these ones here, they won't start breaking ground. They won't sell anything until August. Now, this community here, the HOAs are going to be $75 a month, but they do have ones that are gated. That one would probably be a little bit more. SIDS and LIDs, they won't have any SIDS, but they will have local improvement districts, and this will also be dependent on the site and the home that you pick and choose. Now, the models will start to be completed sometime next week. So again, if you guys are interested, you know, feel free to reach on out to me, or if you guys go out to the sales office, make sure to let them know that you actually seen this video and let them know that I am the procuring cause. I am your agent and I'm going to help you and walk you through the process. Now, one thing I do want you to keep in mind with this land, okay, it's very important that you get a soil report. Even though that the builders had filled up the holes and remediate the area and a soil report was done, you know, could this actually hurt the sale for the builders? Yes, because they have to disclose all this stuff, right? So now one of my concerns is if you're buying in a development like this, right, it's the soil. Could it actually be unhealthy? Yes, but I'm sure a soil report was done because that's actually required before a builder builds. But then I have the question for you is, if you are a buyer, you're going to go out there and all this has been disclosed that this could be a health issue and you're signing over a waiver, would you actually still buy in this community? For me, would I still buy in the community? The answer is probably yes, but it's just something that you need to be aware of. But for like long term, I guess we're gonna have to wait and see how this could affect your health in the long run. Now, when you go to sell the property, you're also gonna have to disclose this to the next buyer. And it really comes down to that buyer, do they actually feel comfortable? That I don't know. But let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are about this brand new community. Now, if you are considering purchasing a home out here in Las Vegas, right, and you're looking to move on out here, we have so many free products that we want to offer you. All those free products are in the link in the description below, or if you're thinking about selling a home, let us know because we definitely want to help you too as well. Please make sure to share all our videos with your friends and family that's looking to buy or looking to sell. Other than that, I wish you guys nothing but the best. Be blessed. Peace.